Okay, I want to show you how to do a lazy daisy, which is essentially kind of a modified chain stitch, single chain stitch that's pinned down. So you start at the bottom and then you loop around, okay, and you come back through the same hole. Okay, so you make this loop, and then however long you'd like your lazy daisy to be, you come up through the loop, pull gently so that it stays looped, and then you just pin this down right on the other side of your stitch. So these are used often in flower petals and such. Try when you're doing this loop to not have it twisted around a lot. It'll look prettier if it's just side by side and flat. That's one thing I often see happen with this stitch. We would love for you to join us here each week, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can find out as soon as our next video drops. Find us over on Instagram at Antiquary Design, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button or comment and let us know. Thanks again!